Right guys, Ed Shed. Late at night, stupid o'clock. Look at the sign. See this? Time's precious. Waste it wisely. I'm doing the best I can. And we're running out of time. So if you get to see this at the beginning of the video or the end of the video, remember that because you're only here once. We got brakes. But we've discovered we've got a weeping pipe under here at the back. One of these is weeping. Okay, which is nasty. And we've got a bit of a problem with the anti-roll bar bush. I can't get that bolt through there, which is giving me grief. Everything else is pretty good. Rads in, rads and fans in, fans are on. We welded actually the fans on. We welded them, bolted them, so it's not technically Jaguar oriented. Can't find the top hose. I've got this pipe and I've put the header tank bracket on over there. I've now got the heater box out and I've found a heater box. Got that. Well, I've decided I need to take a shim out of the bonnet because the bonnet is coming over. It's sort of kicking that way. There's too many shims in the sort of angle of it. So it's pushed out that side, it's coming in this side. So I'm going to take a shim out and hope it will come back this way. It'll tighten that gap up and it'll fit there. So that's our next mission. We obviously lost a lot of paint when we did the brake fluid because we had 3 attempts and we had a couple of pipes go. We had a couple of ends that were no good and we've had to do everything. So we had a lot of brake fluid. So that's going to have to be dug out and cleaned up. We've got issues. We know what we've got to do. We've got issues around the car where we know we've got to go. We've got things we've got to do. We've got to organise some stuff. But our heater box is obviously scrap, but we're going to fix it. The exhaust system is on. We've got a few repairs to do, but at the end of the day, we've got some heads to grind off some of these welds because he didn't grind any of the heads off. He didn't grind any of the heads off the welds, which is really quite annoying. So we've got some lumps everywhere which have got to come off. But they will come off, and I'm hoping that tomorrow I get another day. Now, there should be a sign here that shows how much progress we made because we've got a seat in the house. And the reason why we've got a seat in is because we had to breathe brakes. So I'm hoping that the connection that was weeping at the back, and one at the front was leaking and one at the back, I hope they're fixed. I hope tomorrow when I get up, we've got a brilliant braking system. I've tried to clean the wheels up with oven cleaner. And it's working, except that's got a broken spoke, so now that one's reduced to a spare. So I haven't done this front one, but I'm going to have a go. Possibly manual. I'm going to have a go at getting the bonnet fit properly tomorrow. I'm going to have, he said, like, I've got to tell you what I'm going to do. So tomorrow I'm going to try and get the bonnet fit bar, come over, take a shim out. I'm also going to try and find the top hose. I'm also going to put the heater box together, right? Then I can fill it full of, because it's the summer, I can fill it full of water, ordinary water. That way I can afford to lose it, because I'm not wasting any more bloody antifreeze. I've got loads of welds to grind the heads off over there, and I've got welds on the other side that you grind off. But in reality, we're not far off. And I'm going to do a first start video and all that crap. Which is, we're doing good, guys. We're doing good. We got it. I've got it. It's fighting me, but I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. What else have I got to do? It's not like I've got anything else to do, is it? So we're a bit peeved off. I wait to my time cleaning that wheel up. I need to find it. It's got a broken spoke. Yeah, well, it's going to be a spare, and I'm going to find. I've got some easy cleans. I'll find another wire. We'll find another one. Clean it up, make it nice. Put the wire. We got a tyre to match that, and that can go as a spare wheel with a broken spoke. That's fine. But yeah, we're doing good. I don't know whether there's anything else I could say, because I'm supposed to point out like what I've done, or how I started and why I've done it. Well, today we had no brakes earlier. Now we've got brakes. Now we've actually got it up and back on the ramp. Now we're going after the exhaust system, and then it's once I can get the exhaust system, I can get the fuel pipes in place. Then I'm going to start the bloody thing up, and I'm going to put that seat back in it, and I'm going to drive the piece of crap out of here, and I'm going to go because I really need a break from it. I am sick of it, guys. I'm going to have a go at getting it done. Don't trust me, because once it's outside, if the weather stays like it does, we're going to grind every single bit of paint off it. It's going to work. And as long as everything works and the gaps fit and I can get the bloody screen in it and I can get the bloody windows and the cool windows and the doors and the gaps and the tailgate and put the trim back in it, then I've done it. So what I'm going to say, guys, is time's precious, waste it wisely. And I wasted mine doing this. And for the first time in a long time, I actually quite enjoyed doing what I'm doing. Look, it's an old 2+2. The sooner I get it finished, the sooner I can get on with something else. So talk to you soon. Bye for now. And like and subscribe. Press the little alarm bell. Give my channel a boost. All that rubbish. Talk to you then. Bye.